Welcome to my channel Learn in Minutes. Today, let's learn what's new in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So let's quickly review this topic. Going on to the first feature, application streams. Application streams deliver user space packages on a cadence that makes sense for the package rather as in monolithic distribution. Streams also allow the consolidation of previous distribution channels to a single place. Going on to the next feature, Red Hat Insights. Red Hat Insight is included with your Red Hat subscription. It helps provide security-focused, reliable, efficient, and scalable infrastructure environment. Moving on to the next feature, Image Buildah. Image Buildah lets customer build images from source RPMs that are deployable to multiple targets quickly and simply, and provides fine-grained control and visibility into what's included in a particular image and its history. It also allows customers to manage the lifecycle of the image catalogs independent of the release. Moving on to the next feature is new container tools. New container tools like Podman, Buildah, and Scopio form a strong foundation to support your container image and container needs. Podman is a new open source container engine that works seamlessly with containers as well as pods. Podman is a unique take on the container engine as it doesn't actually depend on the daemon but instead launches containers and pods as child processes. You can say Podman is Red Hat's daemonless Docker alternative. Buildah provides a simple command line interface for creating OCI compliant images by drawing on open source based container images and container storage projects on GitHub. In doing so, Buildah greatly streamlines the container build pipeline. Scopio is a command line utility that performs various operations on container images and image repositories. Moving on to the next feature, Web Console. The Web Console provides a single browser-based interface to all of the available tools and improves the user experience for new users and experienced administrators alike. Going on to the next feature, Virtual Data Optimizer, also known as VDO. VDO provides volume level compression and data deduplication to eliminate data redundancy and increase effective storage capacity of new and existing devices. Moving on, we have the next feature, System Roles. System Roles allows customer to configure subsystems using Ansible. They deliver a layer of abstraction at the automation level, providing a common syntax across multiple major versions of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Moving on to the last feature, we have System-wide crypto policies. Creating a system-wide crypto policies allows admins to set the acceptable algorithms in the multiple sources with a single configuration. These are the few important features of RHEL8. Thank you for watching. For more tech-related videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.
Thank you.
Thank you.